Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here. I think this is the Going Gear package for February, so I'm excited to get into this. You can check out the Going Gear EDC Club by clicking on the link right down in the description. I'll make sure that that's easy to find. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description as well. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's turn the exposure up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to go right across the top here. There we go. And here's the package. Let me make sure there's not... Oh, okay. No, it's just a weatherproof or weather resilient package. Can I... Yeah, okay. And here we go. We got a whole bunch of stuff in here. What do we have? Okay. Whoops. I dropped something. Hang on. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here this time. Hang on. Let me make sure I got everything. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, let me read the paper. Let's see. Excuse me, I still have a cough, guys. Well, I mean, by the time you guys are seeing this, it's been weeks since I recovered from COVID. But this is just a few days after. I'm fine. I just still have a cough. Let's see. The Going Gear EDC Club, the best way to keep your everyday carry up to date. Victorinox Swiss Army Climber. I want to go ahead and open that up here real quick. Let's see. Yeah. Is there a way to open this without... Here, we got a piece of tape right here. There we go. I've only ever had one. Oh, cool. Okay. Swiss Army Climber. And we have, of course, main blade. Let's turn the exposure up just a little bit here. And we have a smaller blade. We have, of course, your can opener slash flathead. And we have the bottle opener and larger flathead. And then on this side, we have... Ooh, that's tight. Is that a little leather punch? Yeah, I think leather punch on this side. And then we have on the side, excuse me, I bumped the camera, tweezers, which always get gross. I mean, let's be honest. Those get pretty gross. And then perhaps something that gets even more disgusting. Maybe I should close this while I do that. The toothpick. The most disgusting thing, probably. But okay, you know what? That's great. And I recently broke the corkscrew on another knife. So I'm kind of happy to have one with a corkscrew. So that's cool. I'll put this to good use. The one that I've had is the Cadet. That's nice. Next up, we have the Well-Tool M6 pen light. A pen light is one of the most useful tools you can keep on you. The lightweight, slim body, and AAA batteries included. You can find almost anywhere makes this a great EDC carry. The Well-Tool M6 has a very warm 3000K color, making it easy on the eyes. It has a very wide light circle with no dark spots and no glare. Okay, let's take a look. So wait, it's a pen and a flashlight? Okay. That's kind of neat. I guess let's go ahead and put the batteries in here real quick. Let's see. Do they go? Well, we're gonna find out. I think they probably go like this. No, that's wrong. I'm sorry. The spring is on this side. Welcome to the Metal Complex YouTube channel. This is how we... Oh, yeah, okay. It is on. There we go. Pretty neat. Now, is it... This is a pen light, so it looks like a pen, but it's... Wait a sec, let me read here. EDC carry, okay, so it doesn't write, but it... Is that... Yeah, that is... Okay, so that's right. So it's just essentially carries like a pen, but it's a light. That's kind of neat. 2 AAA batteries, pretty cool. X-Attack tool... X-Attack, excuse me, tool roll. The perfect compact solution for storing, carrying and organizing all your knives. All your knives? Knives? Come on! Knives. K-N-I-V-E-S. Unless that's a joke. Oh, I've never actually pointed this out. I don't correct people in my comment section. Knife, singular. Knives with a V is plural. There is no word called knives. K-N-I-F-E-S. I wonder if they're joking. Anyways, the hook and loop closure with the Velcro lining not only keeps its content secure, but allows for quick and easy access. Okay. Well, I don't, the spelling error doesn't mean anything to me. It's more so, obviously, just the... Oh my gosh. Smartest man on earth. Trying to undo it. I really want to see the inside of this. Does it just roll up? Is that... Okay, so it's like Velcro's in multiple. That's kind of cool. If you want to bring... I mean, here's the thing. If I wanted to bring multiple knives with me on a trip, this is a nice little, I guess travel option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different slots, and then they roll up, and there's no way for them to contact each other. So that's kind of cool. I actually really like that. I will probably put that to good use. Left field bandana. Made in New York City. This bandana is 21 inches square and has a 3-color rotary print pattern. Left field specializes in made in the USA denim design for the working man. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm not normally somebody who, utilizes bandanas, but I can understand why some people would really like that, so that's neat. And then we have the Grabber Mega Warmer 18 hours times 2. I actually use these quite a bit. I buy these for myself, especially like when I worked at the dealership. I was constantly putting those in my gloves because, as you could imagine, we had to chase every single person who drove onto our lot. We have to do that, or we had to. When I worked as a car salesman, I know people are like, car salesmen are so annoying. We just want to look and they come running out there. They force us to do that. We didn't want to chase you down either. They made us do that, and we were, hey, how's it going today? We had to do stuff like that. So, and then this looks like it's just a little bonus. A caffeinated snack bite. That's kind of neat. Interesting. Okay. So, the grand total here, we've got essentially $34 plus $20. So, $54, $60, $74, essentially $80, $83. So $83 worth of stuff, and if I remember correctly, the Going Gear EDC Club is $60. You're always, as far as I understand, you're always guaranteed the total value of the items in here to be more than what you pay monthly for the subscription box. This is pretty cool. I also really like the roll. The pen light's okay too, but the two items that were the coolest this month are definitely these guys right here. This was neat. Like I said, you can check out the Going Gear EDC Club by using the link right at the top of the description. It's random stuff, and a lot of times you're getting exclusive stuff. So these have all been pretty cool so far. You can go back and check out the past episodes of this. I think I missed January. They didn't send me one for January, but I did get one for February, and I think this is the 4th one. I can't remember. You can go back and check out the other ones. But so far, these have all been pretty cool. Guys, I think that's going to be, excuse me, pretty much it today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.